The first chapter that is going to be there in the book as well in our MCQ book. Let us begin with the first question. The first question is from those tough MCQ category. Now, if I'm going to talk about anemia in pregnancy, we have 300 questions in this chapter, which contains the clinical scenarios, uh, previous year's recalls, and the tough MCQ. So 300 in this chapter itself. So let us begin with the first question. Now, the first question says, according to the WHO criteria or classification, what is the hemoglobin cutoff for defining severe anemia in the second trimester of pregnancy? So, first thing that I'll be doing with every question, it is going to be first is which classification, or rather, the important points in your question are going to be highlighted by me. And over here, the first important point happens to be WHO classification. So, they have asked which classification. It is a WHO classification. The next is what they have asked is the hemoglobin cutoff. So, the cutoff for diagnosis, for which diagnosis? For defining severe anemia, where in the second trimester of pregnancy. So these are the important things that have been given. So the first thing that I have to tell you is going to be why have they specifically mentioned WHO? So let me just go back to my other slide and let us discuss that. So for the first question, they have mentioned WHO classification. Next, they have asked me the cutoff for severe anemia in second trimester. Now, the three important parts of this question. So, why have they specifically mentioned WHO? Because we also have ICMR criteria, that is the Medical Research Council of India. They also have their own classification. That, in fact, is what we use because it is more relevant in our setup. So we have two classifications. Now there are varying sources that mention that there is a difference in the diagnostic criteria for mild anemia, but most of the sources are going to tell you that the diagnostic criteria for mild anemia or for the diagnosis of anemia remains fairly the same. So the first thing is it WHO versus ICMR? It is WHO that they are asking for. What is the difference between them? The only difference is that ICMR also defines what is severe, or sorry, what is very severe anemia. So this is a new and the fourth category that is not there in WHO classification, that is there in ICMR. Why? Because given our India's poor nutritional status, a lot of women do come to us with very severe anemia, that is an HB of less than 4 gram percent as well, which is why they have also defined what is very severe. They want to know what is the diagnostic criteria for severe anemia in second trimester. Now, the second thing that comes to our mind is why have they said second trimester? So the reason is that in second trimester, the hemodilution increases. So when I say hemodilution increases, the diagnosis of anemia or the diagnostic criteria of anemia in the first trimester is HB less than 11. In the second trimester, it is HB less than 10.5. In the third trimester, it is again less than 11. Now, what is this hemodilution? You remember that the plasma increases during pregnancy by almost 40 to 50%. Whereas the RBCs increase only by 20 to 25%, because obviously plasma is just water, and to increase water is going to be much more easier than increasing your RBCs. Now, this increase in plasma peaks between 20 to 28 weeks, which is your second trimester, following which, after 28 weeks, the RBCs also gradually start increasing. And that is why in the second trimester, your diagnostic criteria for anemia is slightly different from the other two. But that is your diagnostic criteria for anemia, which means mild anemia is going to be diagnosed by this. But they do not want to know about mild anemia. They want to know about severe anemia. So for severe anemia, the grading is going to be for mild anemia, first of all, it is in the second trimester 10.5 to 9. Your moderate anemia is going to be 9 to 7. And your severe anemia is going to be less than 7. So the answer that they wish to know is the severe anemia diagnostic criteria, which happens to be less than 7 gram percent, and that is what is going to be your answer for this question. So irrespective of whether it is ICMR or WHO classification, severe anemia is going to be at less than 7 gram percent. So the second trimester part was a trick part that was given over here. It was not important because severe anemia levels, the diagnostic criteria is not affected, and hence the answer is going to be less than 7 gram percent. Option B. And so, as explained, they have given the explanation, the same thing that I've just mentioned to you, and this is how we have quoted the source as well. So this one is from FOXY, that is our Indian Association of all Obstetrician and Gynecological Societies of India Federation. GCPR is a good clinical practice guideline, and the table as well we have given which one it is, and also it is in the recommendations part of this guideline. So you can just go back, you can read it, you can check it, and if there is any, of course, any doubt, all the exclusive subscribers have our Telegram group wherein we are accessible 24/7 for your queries and questions.